Hi everyone. So today I just wanted to give a brief overview of how to use Microsoft Lens on your mobile phone to scan and export documents as PDFs. The first thing we need to do is download the Microsoft Lens app from the Google Play Store. To do that, we will first open the Google Play Store, click on Search located in the bottom bar, and enter Microsoft Lens for the search criteria, and click on Search. Several options will appear, but we are wanting to download the free app published by the Microsoft Corporation. Once you find it, we will go ahead and click on it and select Install. Once the app is downloaded, it will rename itself to be just Lens. In order for us to complete our first scan, we must first set up and give the app the necessary permissions. I will provide the permissions that I recommend, but you can always adjust them to your preferences. First, we want to open the Lens app and give it permission to access your photos by selecting Allow All. It will then take us to a screen that gives a brief overview of the Lens app. We can just select Start Scanning. Next, we can read through Microsoft's privacy agreement and select Next. It is up to you whether or not you want to send Microsoft optional data about the app, but generally I recommend to select Don't Send Optional Data. You can then select on Close, and we will give it its final permission to capture pictures by selecting while using the app. We are now ready to scan our first document. To get the highest quality image as possible, we want to ensure the document is on a flat surface. It is free from any wrinkles, creases, or folds, that you are in a well-lit environment, and there are no obstructions such as hands, shadows, or clipboards covering parts of the page, as we want to capture the full and complete document. To start, it is recommended to enable your camera's flash by selecting the lightning bolt in the top right corner. Next, aim your camera at the page. Lens should automatically detect the page and place a red border around it. Once the page is detected, select the circle icon in the bottom center of the screen to capture the first page. 4 white circles should appear on each corner of the page, indicating the recognized page. If these dots do not align with the corners of the page, you can manually drag them to each corner, as we do not want any of the background to be captured. If you would like to add additional pages, simply select the camera with the plus sign icon located in the center bottom of the screen. And just like before, once Lens automatically detects the page, we will select the circle button in the bottom center of the screen to scan the page. Again, we want to ensure that each white circle aligns with each corner of the page. You can repeat these steps for each additional page you would like to add. Once all the pages have been captured, we will select Review and Edit, and then navigate to Filters. We either want to select the black and white filter or the Documents filter, whichever makes the document the most clear and look like a scanned page. Then we can select Apply to All to apply this filter to all the pages. We want to swipe through all the pages to ensure each page is clear, legible, and captures the entire page. If everything looks good, we will select Finish. Next, we need to tell Lens where and how to save it. In the title field, you want to enter your Pro number. Under the Save To section, we want to select PDF and click on Save. You will be taken to a My Scans screen, which displays all of your current and previous scans. The top leftmost PDF is the scan we just completed. Now we are ready to email your scanned document to your billing representative. From the My Scans screen, click on the PDF document you would like to email. This will open it in your default PDF reader. Select the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner and then select Share. And we want to share it as a PDF file. A list of apps will appear, and you want to select the app you normally use for email, whether that be Gmail, Outlook, or the like. This will automatically create a new email with that attachment attached. We want to ensure your Pro number is included in the subject line, and you can send the email off like normal. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this brief demonstration has made the process of using Microsoft Lens easier. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Have a great day.